Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Mars in the 5th house. About Mars. Rules is Aries and co-ruler Scorpio. Exaltation is Capricorn. Detriment is Taurus and Libra. Fall is Cancer. Responsible. Action. Boldness. Represents. Action, aggressive urge, initiative. Anatomy. The muscular system, external reproductive organs, head and face, red blood corpuscles, motor nerves, bladder, adrenal glands. Keyword is energy. General. Deals with your animal nature, desire and sexual energies. Shows ambition, force, power, construction, work, strife, competition and death. Governs surgery and operations, weapons, war, accidents, inflammation, wounds and cuts, burns, squalds, violence, tools, iron and steel. In earlier times it was known as the Lesser Malefic. Mars's action is sudden, self-assertive and disruptive. Mars can be used destructively and angrily, in a fighting way, or with courage and strength. Where you find Mars in the horoscope is where you expend the greatest energy. 5th house, love given. It shows you're the love I give. Sports, children, creativity, amusements, love that you give, love affairs, speculations, romance. Natural sign is Leo. Natural ruler is Sun. Keyword is creativity. 5th house is a house of life and fire. Quality is succeeding house. General. The 5th house shows children, love, romance, pleasures, fun, holidays, vacations, games, speculations, hobbies and a vocation. It includes your emotional attitude and the love you give. It shows your business, as well as sports shops, unique and creative. It also indicates the ability to dramatic, literary or artistic. The 5th house shows publishing, politics, fine arts, social issues, pregnancy and children's education. Any group you belong to in terms of fun, bowling league, sewing circle, bridging club, etc., is described by this house. Mars in the 5th house. Sport. Impulsive. You are variable. Compete. Often lose. Be a good parent. You are disciplined or able to work discipline-related. Public. The social relationship is important to you. Start-up. Passion. Wise. Sex. You are romantic. Ideal. You may experience heart, circulatory, or pulse problems. You may have a back problem. You often have accidents, injuries. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video. Thank you, see you in the next video.